compact, right? Don't let the size fool you. This thing can measure voltages from 70 volts all the way up to 500 volt AC. Hi, what's up everyone? You're welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for development of 3D printers, robotic soldering station, and the tech that just work. Today we are looking at a really handy little device. This is a 0.5 inch Red LED AC Voltmeter. It's simple, compact, and super useful if you ever need to monitor your AC voltage. And let me show you how it works. So here it is. It's pretty compact, right? Don't let the size fool you. This thing can measure voltages from 70 volts all the way up to 500 volt AC. The red LED display is bright and easy to read even from a distance. And the best part is it is two-wire system. You don't need any separate power source. Just connect it directly to your AC line and boom, you are up and running. Here is a quick breakdown of what it does. 1. It measures AC voltage between 70 volt and 500 volt. 2. The display is nice and clean, 0.5 inch in red. 3. It's powered directly from the same wires you connected to. 4. Work perfectly with the 220 volt system like the ones we use here in Ghana. Whether you are using it in a breaker panel, UPS system, or just checking up your generated voltage output, it's a smart, simple way to stay on top of your voltage. Now, let me show you how easy it is to connect. But first, safety first. Always make sure that the power is off before you touch any wire. You just need to connect a red wire to live and the other black to neutral, and that is it. Once power is back, the display lights up and starts showing your AC voltage right away. I use this in my workshop and even in my inverter setup at home. They are great for keeping an eye on things, and because they are small and easy to mount, you can fit them anywhere. So I 3D modeled this enclosure. Printed using a Geeetech Thunder 3D printer with 0.5 mm Black PLA filament. So yeah, whether you are a DIY or a technician or just someone who likes to keep an eye on your power, this little voltmeter is solid pick and it won't break the bank. You can grab one now from our website okuelectronics.com. I've dropped the link in the description below. If this video helped you out, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so that you don't miss any future tech tip and product demos. Thanks for hanging out with me. Until next time, stay safe and keep building. Bye for now.